Imagine a world where machines can not only think, but also learn, predict, and even create. Sounds like science fiction? Well, welcome to the age of artificial intelligence, where the boundaries between science and imagination are disappearing faster than ever before. At its core, AI is all about mimicking human intelligence, from recognizing patterns in massive datasets to understanding languages. AI is powered by something called algorithms, complex instructions that teach machines how to learn from experience. Think of it this way. Our brains are like a neural network of billions of neurons. AI uses artificial neural networks to replicate that process, letting machines see, hear, and even make decisions in ways that were unimaginable just a decade ago. But AI isn't just theory, it's already transforming our world. In healthcare, AI predicts diseases before symptoms appear. In space exploration, it helps rovers navigate alien terrains. And in our everyday lives, it powers everything from voice assistants to personalized recommendations on your favorite streaming app. And here's the kicker. The more data AI gets, the smarter it becomes. It learns, adapts, and evolves, much like a living organism. Now, imagine the future. AI that can write novels, compose music, or even assist scientists in discovering new medicines. Imagine solving the climate crisis with AI predicting optimal solutions, or exploring the deepest oceans with autonomous intelligent submarines. Science is no longer just about observation. With AI, it's about co-creation. Humans and machines working side by side to push the frontiers of knowledge. So, whether you're a coder, a scientist, or just someone fascinated by the possibilities, remember this. We're living in an era where the imagination of today becomes the reality of tomorrow. And AI is the tool that's turning that imagination into science. Stay curious, stay inspired, and most importantly, keep exploring the unknown. If you want to dive deeper into the world of science and AI, don't forget to subscribe to Educational World for more such fascinating content.